This is a 2007 Pontiac G6. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a power driver's seat, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a multi-link rear suspension, performance tires, 17-inch wheels, dusk sensing headlights, external temperature display, and an anti-theft protection system. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Waltz Live Oak Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1109 North Ohio Avenue, US 129 North in Live Oak.